shelter. Will you rebuild here again?
Yes, ma'am.
You will.
Yes, ma'am. If you can afford a tornado shelter anywhere at all, get you one. Get in it and use it. Just use it. God's put it there.
You know, this is amazing how when these communities go through hell, the unexpected loss from these natural disasters, severe weather, how the communities come together to rebuild. It happens everywhere throughout our world. And I think it's just the resilience that God builds into all human beings. And our family had a chance to see it when we did our Christmas vacation on Maui. It's just amazing to see how people come back.